Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to set reminders for collaborative tasks in Todoist. First up, open the Todoist app and navigate to the specific project where your task is located. The reason we do this is to ensure we're setting reminders for the right task in the correct project. Next, click on the task to open the task details. Now, look for the icon that represents a bell. This is your Reminders button. Click on it and you'll see the option to add a reminder. This helps us because it allows us to set specific dates and times for our reminders. Now that we've done that, type in the date and time you want the reminder to be sent. Todoist is smart enough to understand natural language, so you can type something like tomorrow at 10 a.m. and it will set the reminder accordingly. Let me explain why this matters. It's crucial to set reminders at an appropriate time to make sure everyone involved in the task is aware of it and can prepare accordingly. Once you've set the date and time, make sure to click Assign to Someone. This is where you select the person you want to remind. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist sends a notification to the chosen person at the set date and time. This ensures that the right person is reminded of the task at hand. Finally, hit Save to finalize your reminder. The reason we do this is to lock in all the details you've set and activate the reminder. And there you have it. You've just set a reminder for a collaborative task in Todoist. With this tool, your team will never miss a task deadline again. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.